Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a budget-friendly DIY project with you. We'll be making our own texture paste for under Rs.100. It's a fantastic addition to any artist toolkit. So let's get started. Here are the few things you'll need for this affordable texture paste recipe. First is a white cement based wall putty powder. It costs an average of rupees 30 per kg. And next you need Fevicol or any synthetic adhesive. This costs you only rupees 40 for 100 grams. Now let me walk you through the simple steps on how to create this texture paste. First, take a bowl and add equal amounts of water and Fevicol. Mix the water and Fevicol together until the adhesive is completely dissolved. Next, add 1 cup of wall putty powder in small batches. Mix the putty powder thoroughly with the water and adhesive mixture. Depending on the desired texture, you can adjust the consistency of the paste. If you want a spreadable texture for your canvas, add some water and mix well. On the other hand, if you prefer a thicker paste for piping or creating some more defined textures, add some more powder and mix well. And there you have it, your very own homemade texture paste under Rs.100. This paste is not only budget friendly but also customizable to suit your artistic needs. It's perfect for adding depth and dimension to your artwork, whether you are into acrylic painting, mixed media or any other creative projects. With just a couple of ingredients, you can create this versatile texture paste and use them for your projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a texture paste under Rs.100. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And subscribe to my channel for more art related content. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.